Hello, everyone. This is the California Freedom Alliance with your host, Alexander Horat. Today, I'm going to be talking about some very important things that the county did yesterday on their meeting on Tuesday. They voted in some really bad things for our county, and I'm going to be covering them all in separate videos. But here's one of the first things that they did. I'm going to share the screen to show you what's going on. So the county voted to increase sales tax in this county for everything, including gasoline, um, anything you buy, food. And basically, what they did yesterday is that they made an argument on the ballot, consideration of approving a ballot measure in favor of a measure that would impose a 1% sales tax. It basically says we need more money for our essential services. And that's really what they're saying. It says recommendation, approve the attached written argument in favor of the measure, which would impose a 1% transaction and use tax in Tuolumne County, and then authorize Supervisor Goldenberg and Brendan to make necessary minor changes. So our argument in favor of this measure, our deputies and our firefighters, our roads desperately need your help. Tuolumne County has struggled for decades to cover minimum costs, and a yes vote on the measure will provide critically needed additional public safety funding that is secure, annually audited. That's amazing, annually audited. When we see, the sheriff just fired 5 deputies for egregious things that they did, and they never even said why. And it sunsets after 10 years. So this is going to be great because this is increasing. It's going to help the sheriff, our roads, and it's also going to help the fire department. But here's the facts, everybody. They say that they need money, but Tuolumne County's been doing fairly well with the 7% that the sales tax has been getting. They get 1% of that. And one thing that I've seen, they're trying to argue that because of inflation, that's why we need to increase sales tax. But it doesn't matter because it's a tax, it's a percentage. So even with inflation, you're still getting the same percentage. It's not a fixed amount. And second of all, the county employees were also recommending the sales tax because they want to increase their pay. And one thing that I really need to tell you all is that they've been spending money left and right. They're spending money to build a new big homeless housing, which I'm going to really discuss in another video very soon. And they've been talking about spending all this money, increasing pay for some of the homeless people who work for the homeless people in the county. So this is completely crazy. This is completely nuts that they're saying, oh, we need more money because we don't have enough. That's not true. It's like the county government as a whole is almost being like a leech with the people, saying we don't have enough money. We need to continue increasing money. And it's like basically they're trying to get as much money from us to drain us as possible. And that's going to increase the homeless population because we don't have enough money. Inflation is hurting us. It's hurting people at fixed income. The elderly, a lot of them are probably going to become homeless due to this because they cannot even afford gasoline at this point and other food and everything. So this is crazy. It's hurting us. There definitely needs to be a counter argument against this from the people. And I also think that everybody who watches this video needs to vote no and try to hold our county supervisors accountable because they haven't been very transparent in a lot of their things. And that's completely the honest truth. And I think it's time for us to stand up for our rights. No taxation without representation. I think the people are against this. And I think it's time for the county board of supervisors to start listening to us. So just please share this video with your friend. Vote no on this when it comes up in December, November. And thanks again for watching this video. I hope you all have a good day. God bless.